I'm Priscilla.
And I'm Megan.
And we're the Alpha Pack.
And
here we're talking about the Christmas party we went to.
Yeah.
We won 3 times at laser tag because
you got
you got your hands wet all over my face. Thanks a lot, sis. Okay, so I had my shower today from her hands.
Kylo.
Kylo Ren, let me see your gadget.
Your mom wanted to take my Kylo from me.
She always wants to take something that's so fuzzy and cute.
She needs the bear.
I know. So the Christmas party was fun.
Yeah.
We won 3 times at laser tag because
Yeah.
my lucky number is 21 and 10. If you use them at a casino, you're paying me half.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the problem. And we're going to the auto show Sunday, so I get to see hot rods. I like being surrounded by cars. Distraction. And I want to go to London.
I know. Me too.
I want to go see some hot 25, 24, 26-year-olds.
Right.
With their mansion. And
British.
I want to be spoiled.
Mm-hmm.
I like being spoiled. That's the most thing you get.
Take us to Disney.
Mm-hmm. Take us to Disney. Take us to London.
Take us anywhere.
Yeah. Except out of the... I'm only going to go to Europe. That's the only place I want to go. Mm-hmm. Nowhere else. Mm-hmm. I don't want to get sick. Mm-hmm. Or something stupid. We don't want a guy that's greasy.
Mm-hmm. Go to Africa and take pictures.
No. Oh, God, no. I can't go in heat. I told you. If I go somewhere hot, I'll be crabby, whiny, and then I'll be irritated. I'd rather go somewhere cold.
Antarctica?
Maybe the North Pole.
Antarctica!
Yeah, we could go to the North Pole. I want to go on a Disney cruise, though, to go to the North Pole. I want...
Guys need to take us on a Disney.
Yeah, but I want them to have blue eyes, black hair, and a 5 o'clock shadow. Not just because of Captain Hook from Once Upon a Time. It's also because I saw a wolf with black fur and blue eyes.
I'll take guys with long hair. Doesn't matter what color hair or eyes they have.
I think of my wolf side, I think it would be white fur and gold eyes. Yeah. That's my alter ego wolf. Her name's Snow Wolf.
Red.
I don't think she has a name. I just call her Snow Wolf. But she only comes out when you make her mad or if you threaten her.
Hey, if there's a redhead guy, maybe I could name the kid Blaze after in February, because
Megan, I don't think Kylo Ren has red hair. It's black.
I know.
I'm like looking over at him on this poster on our wall, and I'm like, no, that's just the lighting on the poster.
Black hair.
But it does look like Luke Skywalker has a red beard. Like I have a red beard. But that's just the lighting on the poster.
Whatever happened to Luke Skywalker in that movie?
He might come back. And I'm getting a headache. Yeah, I'm getting a headache.
I hope he comes. He's supposed to come back.
God, if I had a guy with a Mustang, I'd be happy. A black Mustang. It has to be black. And he has to let me drive it. Not like literally drive it on the street, just in a parking lot. Yeah, I only could drive in parking lots. I can't really drive because of my
disability.
Yeah. I don't know why. I have bad judgment call anyway.
Don't worry, I can't drive either.
Just like with a guy downtown. And if I get a boyfriend, I'll tell him about that. He'll probably the way he treated me, he'll probably beat him up. Oh my god. I'm gonna be like this. I'm gonna get the lawn chair out, get some popcorn, and just.
And if we both have a guy, they have to like the other. Yes, they have to like us too.
Yeah. I want somebody to really like me. Like, deathly like me. Like, I want somebody I can smother 24/7 and never get sick of it. That's what I do.
And I gotta approve of our best friend.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know why I did that. She does it back to me anyway. She pets me. Is Snow Wolf out of my skin?
Hi, Snow Wolf.
Oh.
Hi, Snow Wolf.
Of course, Snow Wolf doesn't say anything. She just growls and howls and plays.
Yeah.
Why have an alter ego that speaks English? Why not just have a different alter ego? Because I think I have a star in the middle of my palm and I never knew what it meant. So I'm thinking I was a wolf in my former life. I could be. I mean, who knows? I could have been the mother of all wolves. Like in Games of Thrones, the mother of dragons, I would be the mother of all wolves. Those are my children. I don't want kids. I ain't going through that mess anyway.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah, and plus you get.
I think
you get a bad sciatic.
I think I see you adopting a dog as your baby. Some people adopt dogs as their babies.
You know what it would look like? It would look like the one off the Lost Boys, and I call him Nanook.
Nanook.
Oh, Nanook. We do Nanook. Oh, Nanook.
Doggy nephew. I love dogs. They're so cute.
I'd be like, go see Auntie Nanook.
I love doggies. They're
of course,
cute.
Huskies shed a lot. So do I. So you'll never know what hair you get. So I shed a lot too.
Anything else, Lucy?
Yeah, men that want to date us, comment below. And you can follow us on our Instagram and Twitter and our YouTube channels. We have our single YouTube channel.
And give us a thumbs up.
Yes, we want likes.
Yes.
Me and my snowy white nails. We want, how much should shoot for today? 2,000 likes? 10,000 likes.
No, let's do 21.
Okay, 21,000 likes.
Good lord. Anyway.
Or 21 likes.
Anyway.
Very much luck with these videos, so please be nice and watch our videos and like us. Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe.
Subscribe.
And keep it
howling. Oh God, I screwed it up.
There we go.